We use HoloLens to do actually process development and troubleshooting of equipment remotely with vendors. So all the tools available to us now have really helped us be productive during this time frame.
We use virtual reality and are working a lot with that. And normally we will have a program called the Global Graduate Program, taking in new talents, and we'll take them in face-to-face for an assessment. This time we could not do that, so instead we did it in virtual reality, shipped out headsets to all the candidates, gathered them all in a virtual room and assessed them through that. So a great new way of collaborating and still getting the interaction and using technology to do it.
I really think this crisis has solidified some trends that have been kind of percolating for a while, that it's forced them to the surface in a much broader way. If you look at, for example, the case of remote servicing, remote experts, with Remote Assist, you can take your phone now and get support. The HoloLens, you can use the HoloLens. So we're seeing customers all of a sudden start trending more towards, how do I provide support even though I'm not there in person? As a furtheration of that, we're seeing, how do I take a customer service rep who I used to want to have a field service tech, and I want to take a CSR, and how do I get them to drive and command and control that solution? So if I have an IoT enabled device, how can I send commands so it to reset? So I'm not getting a technician out there in person.
Many of our equipment requires that we have a factory acceptance test, and traditionally, historically, that's required our customer to visit our facility, and we've had 1, 2, 3 or more days of work actually on the shop floor, working with the equipment pre-installation at the customer's location. Well, customers don't want to do that anymore. They don't want to send their people. And so very quickly, the team's done a super job. We've used video technology and multiple cameras located on the equipment. So now we can do that virtually with our customer. We can move the camera, we can rewind, we can, in some cases, we've set the camera up literally to record 24 hours, and we've let the equipment run. The customers have the ability to dive in at any point and look at the equipment running. So a complete change for us, and something that we probably wouldn't have considered, just yet 2 months ago.
We're starting to deploy more and more of the HoloLens between our factories. We actually have an OEM that has one of our HoloLens devices that's helping us train some of our factory workers in a different site on how to use the new equipment. We have some of our customer application support people looking into how they use HoloLens to take care of our customers during these times. So, great technology and something we're looking forward to leverage.